The Replace Spring Material feature has been improved to include an option to choose the targeted springs for the material change action. Along with the existing option to choose the type of spring being changed, whether matrix, RFT, or implicit, the user now also has an option to choose the particular location at which the springs will be changed. To illustrate the difference between the three options on this example model, we'll select a group of elements that includes elements from a column, girder, and slab, and keep that selection consistent as we switch between the available options. First, Change springs across objects will apply the action on the external springs that join elements of different objects, like the ones between the girder and the column, and the ones between the girder and the slab. Change springs in the same object will apply the action to internal springs joining the elements of the same object, namely the column's internal springs, the girder's internal springs, and the slab's internal springs. Finally, the user can also designate all springs for the material change action, which applies it to the combination of springs from the other two options. The new Springs Location option serves to more effectively target springs intended for material change instead of having to create groups for each location and manually selecting the exact elements whose springs will be changed. Please stay tuned for more videos showcasing the new features in ELS version 11.